If your kitchen counter feels less like a cooking space and more like a museum of miscellaneous appliances, you know the struggle. We all love the convenience of a microwave, but having it sitting out there, taking up valuable square footage, is a design headache. It just feels tacked on, right? I spent weeks looking at ways to upgrade my kitchen without tearing down walls or spending a fortune on a full remodel. I wanted something that looked intentional, something that felt like it belonged there. I tried a few portable units, but they never quite matched the aesthetic of the cabinets, and they always felt bulky. I was getting frustrated with the constant visual clutter and the fact that my existing setup was making the whole room feel cramped. My old microwave felt like a necessary evil, a piece of equipment I couldn't escape, no matter how much I loved the look of my cabinets. When I finally found the KoolMore drawer, I started noticing specific things that made a difference. First, the low-profile design is a major win. It's built to disappear into the cabinetry, making the whole space feel much larger. Then there's the capacity. 1.2 cubic feet is substantial, giving you plenty of room for bigger meals. I was also impressed by the 10 custom power levels. Instead of just high or low, you can dial it in for specific tasks, like keeping leftovers warm without drying them out. The memory function is another discovery. Setting it up for a specific recipe and storing those settings is genuinely helpful. The stainless steel finish is robust and clean, matching my other appliances without any effort. Now, for the downside. While the unit is sturdy, the initial installation requires careful measurement to ensure a flush fit, which was a bit tricky. Picture this. It's a rainy Tuesday evening. You've just gotten home, exhausted from work, and all you want is a simple meal. Instead of wrestling with a counter unit, you simply open the drawer, place your dish inside, and set the timer. The whole process is smooth and controlled. The drawer slides out effortlessly, and the slow close mechanism gives you that satisfying, quiet feeling of a job well done. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.